Find the Laplace transform of this non-sinusoidal periodic waveform shown below. So this is a periodic signal and it is non-sinusoidal because it's a square signal. The signal is said to be periodic signal or periodic waveform if a particular cycle repeats after every some instant of time. For example, in this circuit, if we consider this cycle, this same cycle repeats after every particular instant of time. So here now at every 2t the same signal repeats. So we can say that this is the period of the signal. Now the question is how to calculate period of the signal. That is, here the signal ends at 2t and starts at t equal to 0. That is 2t minus 0 is the period of the signal, that is 2t. Similarly, we can take any cycle, the period will be same. If we consider 2t to 4t, 4t minus 2t, again it gives the 2t. It means that the period of the signal is always same. So at every 2t the same pulse will repeat. Such kind of signals are known as periodic signal or periodic waveform. Now let's see how to find the Laplace transform of such signals. The first thing is we are supposed to do the waveform synthesis. Waveform synthesis means we are supposed to decompose the given signal into a standard signals. The standard signals are, one is unit step signal, second one is ramp signal or unit ramp signal, and third one is impulse signal. If we observe this periodic waveform, we can say that this periodic waveform is made of the step signal. So while calculating the Laplace transform of any periodic signal, instead of calculating the Laplace transform of entire periodic waveform, we are supposed to consider one cycle of the periodic signal. So let's consider one cycle of the periodic signal. So I'll draw the first cycle, that is from this one. So this is the first cycle. I'll take the same first cycle. So its magnitude is +1 and here the magnitude is -1. So here the given periodic waveform is known as f of t. I will call the first cycle of this f of t is something x of t. Now let's find. I will decompose this signal using standard signal, and as I said, this signal is made of step signal. Let's represent the same signal using step signals. So here we can observe that to get this portion, I can say that this signal is made of step signal. Let's consider one step signal of magnitude 1. So I can call it as unit step signal. So I will call this signal as something x1 of t. So this we know that, and we know that x1 of t is a step signal and it is defined as x1 of t is equal to u of t for t greater than 0 and its value is 0 otherwise. Therefore its value is 1 as t is greater than 0. Now we can observe here that this is t, this is 2t. This step signal supposed to stop at t equal to t. At t equal to t, the value of this step signal is 0. So now to make this step signal to become 0 at t equal to t, I suppose to add one more step signal such that by adding this signal with the another step signal, it should become 0. So we supposed to add one negative step signal, so that this positive step signal, when we add with negative step signal, we can bring it back to 0. So now I'll add another step signal with negative magnitude at t equal to t. This is the t, this is something 2t. I'll call this signal as say x2 of t. So I'll add one negative step signal of having magnitude -2. Here the magnitude of this signal is -2. Now I will draw the resultant signal here. So at 0 I will try to add x1 of t with x2 of t. At t equal to 0 its magnitude is 1. At t equal to 0 its magnitude is 0. So from t equal to capital T, the magnitude is 1. Here it is 0. So this portion does exist. Suppose this is t. Then at t equal to t, the value of the magnitude of this x1 of t is +1. At t equal to t, the magnitude of x2 of t is -2, so is equal to -1. So at t equal to t, this signal will come to 0 and goes to -1 because we got -1 result. So the magnitude of this signal at t equal to t is -1. This is +1. Now here we can observe that for t greater than capital, so this is the resultant signal like this. So it exists till t equal to infinity. So for t greater than t, here the magnitude of x1 of t is +1, the magnitude of x2 of t is -2. So for t greater than t, its value will be -1 and it will be continue till infinity. Now look at the given waveform. The signal stops at t equal to 2t. But now we supposed to make this signal to stop at t equal to 2t. So now I will add one more positive step signal to this signal at t equal to 2t to make this signal to 0. So if I add this signal with another positive step, say at t equal to 2t, I should make it 0. To make it 0, I should add another positive step signal at t equal to 2t with magnitude +1, because +1 when we add with -1 it will become 0. So I'll add one unit step signal at t equal to 2t. The magnitude of this is 1. So I'll call this signal as x3 of t. So the resultant final signal, adding these two, we will get back the same signal, because at t greater than 2t, the magnitude of this signal is +1, where the magnitude of this signal is -1. So adding those two, it will become 0. So here we can observe that x1 of t is a unit step signal, that is the magnitude of this signal is 1. I can write it as u of t. x2 of t is again a step signal having negative magnitude and it exists at t equal to t and its magnitude is -2. I can represent x2 of t as -2, which is its magnitude, and it exists at t equal to t. It is a shifted step signal. I can write it as u of t minus capital T, as it is starting from t equal to t. Similarly, x3 of t is again a unit step signal having magnitude 1, which begins at t equal to 2t. So x3 of t can be represented as u of t minus 2t. So now let's add these three signals in terms of equations. So I can write x of t is equal to x1 of t plus x2 of t plus x3 of t, which is in turn equal to u of t minus 2u of t minus t plus u of t minus 2t. X of t is equal to x1 of t plus x2 of t plus x3 of t. That is, x of t is equal to u of t minus 2u of t minus t plus u of t minus 2t. Now taking Laplace transform of x of t, that is Laplace transform of x of t is equal to x of s, which is equal to the Laplace transform of u of t is 1 by s minus Laplace transform of, here minus 2 is a constant, it should be written as it is, Laplace transform of shifted unit step signal, that is u of t minus t, is nothing but 2 by s into e raised to minus t into s plus the Laplace transform of u of t minus 2t is same magnitude is 1 here, so it is 1 by s, it is shifted by 2t, we can write it as e raised to minus 2ts. So this is the Laplace transform of one cycle of given f of t. Now let's find Laplace transform of periodic waveform f of t. Therefore, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f of s. Therefore, f of s is the Laplace transform of one cycle, that is x of s whole divided by e power minus power ts. So here this t is period of given periodic waveform, period of periodic waveform. Therefore I can write it as x of s is nothing but 1 over s minus 2 by s e power ts plus 1 over s e power minus 2s whole divided by e power minus, this t is nothing but period of periodic waveform, that is the period of this periodic waveform is 2t. Therefore t is equal to 2t. This is e power minus 2t into s of given periodic waveform f of t. Thank you.